Hello YouTube, liver recovery products. An unfavorable ecological situation and an unhealthy lifestyle, nutrition plays a heavy burden on our liver, says a nutritionist and therapist. Whether it's rubbing non-organic creams on the skin, smoking IQOS, cooking in a Teflon pan, or regular coffee from plastic cups, it's the liver that has to cope with the consequences and work overtime, turning on the maximum of its detox phases. The liver does not just cleanse the blood of exo/endotoxins, it converts them into compounds that are safe for the body, which are then excreted naturally through bile, intestines, urine, and sweat. And if the detoxification phases are overloaded, we will immediately feel it in the form of feelings of weakness in the morning, regardless of the number of hours of sleep. Symptoms of estrogen dominance, fibrous acid mastopathy, fibroids, cellulitis. Inflammatory rashes on the skin of the back, face, especially the area between the eyebrows. Soreness and crunching of the joints, especially the knees. Growth of the bone of the big toe, usually the right one. Frequent headaches, migraines. Allergies. Inability to lose weight, especially in the abdomen. Skin pigmentation and other symptoms. What foods does the liver like? Cruciferous, broccoli and especially broccoli sprouts, all types of cabbage, radish, mustard, radish, horseradish, turnip, spinach, arugula, watercress. Candles in any form. All berries. Fruits with a pronounced sour taste, especially citrus fruits. All herbs, medicinal herbs and spices with a bitter taste. Products containing phospholipids, lecithin, eggs, fish roe, offal, oily ocean fish, legumes. Now is the best time of the year for liver support. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.